Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of low-cash craft projects that can realistically grow into reliable income streams. Many people believe that starting a profitable craft business requires expensive machines, large workshops, or a lot of capital. That belief alone stops countless talented hands from ever trying. The truth is far simpler and far more encouraging. Some of the most profitable craft ideas begin with very little cash, basic tools, and a willingness to learn, refine, and stay consistent. In this narration, we will explore low-cash craft ideas with high profit potential, not as quick wins, but as realistic paths for turning skill, patience, and creativity into steady income over time. Low-cash crafts succeed because they focus on value rather than volume. When capital is limited, the smart approach is to create items that solve problems, add beauty, or bring meaning into everyday life. Customers are not paying for raw materials alone. They are paying for design, function, story, and care. This is where small-scale makers can compete with large manufacturers. Craft becomes profitable when it feels personal, intentional, and thoughtfully made. One of the strongest low-cash craft categories is small wooden home accessories. Items like key holders, wall hooks, phone stands, and desk organizers require minimal material, simple tools, and limited space. Yet they consistently sell because they solve everyday problems while adding warmth and character to a home or office. A small piece of wood, when cut cleanly and finished well, can carry far more value than its cost. The profit comes from precision, finishing, and presentation rather than size. Handcrafted shelves are another powerful example. Floating shelves, corner shelves, and narrow wall shelves can be made from offcuts or reclaimed wood. They are light, practical, and easy to customize. Customers often want specific sizes, finishes, or mounting styles, which allows you to charge more for customization. With careful measuring and clean edges, a simple shelf can become a premium product. The key is consistency in quality and clarity in design. Wooden kitchen items also offer high potential with low startup costs. Spice racks, cutting boards, utensil holders, and tray organizers are always in demand. These items are used daily, which makes buyers more willing to invest in quality. Even basic designs can sell well if the finishing is smooth and food-safe. Over time, small improvements in design and branding can significantly increase perceived value without increasing material cost. Metal crafts follow a similar principle. Simple welded items like plant stands, candle holders, wall brackets, or minimalist stools can be produced with basic tools and small amounts of metal. The appeal lies in clean lines and durability. Metal combined with wood creates especially strong market appeal as it blends warmth with strength. These hybrid designs often sell at higher prices because they feel modern and intentional. Decorative wall art made from wood or metal scraps is another low-cash opportunity. Geometric designs, abstract shapes, and minimalist silhouettes require creativity more than material. Customers buying wall art are not comparing material costs. They are responding to emotion and style. A thoughtfully designed piece can command a strong price even when made from inexpensive materials. Personalized crafts significantly increase profit potential. Adding names, dates, or custom messages transforms ordinary items into meaningful gifts. This applies to wooden plaques, engraved boxes, photo frames, and small furniture pieces. Personalization costs very little to implement, but adds significant value in the eyes of the buyer. It also reduces price comparison because the item becomes unique. Small furniture pieces are another category where low cash can still generate strong returns. Stools, side tables, bedside stands, and benches require modest materials but offer higher price points. The secret is simplicity. Clean, sturdy designs with practical dimensions sell better than complex builds. Customers value durability and usefulness more than complexity. Starting with 1 or 2 proven designs allows you to refine your process and control costs. Crafts made from reclaimed or recycled materials are especially powerful when cash is limited. Pallet wood, discarded metal, and salvaged components reduce material expenses while adding a sustainability story. Many buyers actively seek products with a recycled origin because it aligns with their values. This story becomes part of the product's value and allows you to charge more while spending less. Handmade storage solutions consistently perform well. Shoe racks, entryway organizers, bathroom shelves, and small cabinets meet everyday needs. When space is limited, people are willing to pay for smart storage. These items do not need to be large to be valuable. Functionality and reliability matter most. Precise joints and smooth finishes elevate even the simplest storage piece. Craft profitability also depends on how products are presented. Clear photos, honest descriptions, and consistent branding matter as much as the product itself. A low-cash maker who presents their work professionally often outperforms a better-equipped maker with poor presentation. Customers buy confidence as much as craftsmanship. When your work looks reliable, buyers trust it. Pricing is another area where many crafters unintentionally limit their profit. Pricing too low feels safe, but it often attracts the wrong customers and leaves no room for growth. A smart approach considers not only material cost, but time, skill, and value. Low cash does not mean low worth. Products priced with confidence signal quality and sustainability. Batch production helps increase profit without increasing cash investment. Making several identical items at once reduces time per unit and improves consistency. This approach allows you to build inventory efficiently and respond quickly to orders. Over time, small efficiencies add up to significant gains. Online marketplaces and social platforms have lowered the barrier to entry for craft sellers. Low-cash craft ideas succeed not because they are small, but because they are intentional. Profit does not come from how much money you start with, but from how wisely you use what you have. When creativity meets discipline, even modest resources can produce meaningful income. If you are willing to learn, refine, and stay consistent, craft can become more than a hobby. It can become a steady path toward independence and pride in your work. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.